Cali, baby!
Minutes till boarding. So this plane looks really fancy at first, but if you look at the touchscreen, try to select like a movie or something, it's so unresponsive. Look at this. What just happened? So the pilots on this flight were incredibly awesome, and guess what? I am sitting in the captain's chair of an Airbus A321. You got your reverse thrust right there, you've got your throttle, you've got your flaps, you've got your trim. This is awesome. So we're waiting at baggage claim, and we have a friend, Joseph, who is also coming with us to San Fran, but he took a different flight. He flew United, and we're waiting for him to get to our terminal. So once Joseph gets here, we'll be exploring San Francisco. How's your flight? It was good.
Yo, that walk was longer than the actual flight.
How was the plane?
It was amazing. It was so nice. I had an empty seat next to me too.
No way.
Yeah, it was great. I had a window seat, and there was an empty seat between me and some old lady. Then some guy and his wife came with like 2 kids, and they made her move, and the baby was crying the entire time. Every
Sounds
time.
Peaceful.
I had my Beats on.
So
that was good.
It's too hot for this. Larry booked the Airbnb, and he just told our Uber driver the address, and our Uber driver said Jesus, which is not a good sign.
No, it's not a good sign. You're not in a good neighborhood. If you're up north Oakland by Berkeley, I would say yes, that's okay. But you're right where
Larry, I think we should rebook
projects are.
Wait, no, let's actually rebook it. I'm serious.
I honestly could care less.
No, I'm being serious. Let's rebook it.
How about this? Let's
Wait,
go.
why not?
Let's go to the Airbnb if it's
We could just get a hotel. What's the problem?
My credit card. That's the problem. When in the West Coast. In and out. Can I get the number 2, please?
Number 2, Jack, I need burger?
I was told to say animal style.
Yeah. Burger.
What is that, by the way?
So the burger is, the regular burger, sorry, one second, make sure. Regular burger is spread lettuce, tomato, your choice of onion. Animal style burger is spread lettuce, tomato, grilled onion, pickle, mustard, fried patty.
Okay, sure.
And then the animal fry is a cheese fry with grilled onions and spread sauce.
Cool. All right.
So you want the fries animal style too?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
First time. Is this your first time having In-N-Out? Mm-hmm. Me too. Let's see.
How is it? Oh my god.
That is so good.
Really?
So good.
Good?
0 to 10.
Huh?
Is there anything back in Jersey that compares to this?
Yeah.
What?
To be honest.
Honestly? What?
Wait, why don't we just check the airport?
What?
Why don't we just check the reviews?
I can't think of anything off the top of my head.
What about Zimburger?
No.
Wait, no.
Why didn't try it yet?
Wait, there was somewhere else. I don't remember what it was. Alright, get back to me later. I don't remember.
Honestly, It's like, I don't know. I think Habit and like Five Guys is better.
I think Five Guys is better.
No, I really do think so.
Same.
Or maybe because the entire sandwich,
There's barely any burger in it. So
maybe that entire sandwich. I don't think I could see this. Maybe that
No, they
entire
did.
sandwich was
They-
like
the guy
tomatoes
was
and
like-
like lettuce, like patties.
I've had it a few times before, so you know, I just ate it like a normal.
Five Guys is better.
Yeah.
You know, when I ate it, it was a burger. Mind blown.
I'm not pointing the camera in that direction anymore.
I like the bread that Shake Shack uses, so and their cheese. So I like Shake.
Focuses on the
Yeah, but at this price point, this is so cheap.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's,
no.
So affordable.
it's good, but it's definitely not. It's overhyped, 100%.
Yeah.
I kind of.
I'm so sad.
But I'm glad I got to cross over.
I'm not surprised though.
This is on my
I knew it was
bucket
gonna be mine.
After In-N-Out, we went back to our Airbnb where we stayed the night. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos of our trip to California.